Honorable Chief Minister is requested to launch the AI-based human wildlife monitoring platform developed by Marvel virtually.
Since 2023, over 29 tiger-related deaths have been reported in the Nagpur range. For communities along forest fringes, human-wildlife conflict threatens lives, livestock and livelihoods.
इथे जनावरांचा खूप धुमाकूळ असतो आणि त्यांच्यामुळे शेतीत काम करताना आम्हाला भरपूर भीती वाटते.
The answer for this conflict lies in detecting danger early, understanding the forest's warning signals and transforming that intelligence into timely action. Marvel introduces a new technology-led approach to make this possible. Across 46 sensitive locations in the Pench Tiger Reserve and Nagpur Territorial Forest Division, Marvel is deploying India's first AI-enabled bioacoustic intelligence and visual monitoring system for mitigating human-wildlife conflict. The system analyzes alarm clocks of sambar, cheetal, langurs, indicating the presence of tigers or leopards near villages and forest boundaries, verifying their movement through AI-enabled camera modules. The system provides early alerts to forest teams and nearby communities.
सदर कॅमेरा वाघाला आणि इतर वन्य प्राण्याला पाहतानाही अलर्ट देतो आणि त्याची आवाज आली किंवा कॉल आला तर त्यालाही देखील अलर्ट देतो. एक छोटंसं उदाहरण मी या निमित्ताने सांगू इच्छितो. वन्य प्राण्यांच्या आवाजाचा कॉल दिला आणि हा सायरन वाजायला सुरुवात झाली. हा पूर्णपणे सोलर बॅटरीनी सज्ज आहे. भविष्यामध्ये ही टेक्नॉलॉजी अधिक प्रभावी होत आहे. हा यशस्वी प्रयोग आपण या ठिकाणी केलेला आहे आणि त्यातून मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये लोकांचा जीव आपल्याला वाचवता येईल.
With over 80 monitoring modules being installed across Pench and Nagpur, Maharashtra Forest Department is ensuring to create a protective network for vulnerable communities.
What we are unveiling here today is an example of artificial intelligence and emerging technology reaching beyond the limits of cities towards the remotest communities of Maharashtra. The solution has been devised and created by Marvel, a special purpose vehicle of the government of Maharashtra and a brainchild of the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis. This is an example of emerging technology at its very best.
Developed and piloted by Marvel for Maharashtra Forest Department, the AI monitoring system is now ready to turn intelligence from forest into protection and conservation for all.